We've been observing lots of markets recently, and as we are approached by lots of established names around the world to come and invest with the funds, we found out that the big names have now arrived in Africa, and it's possibly time for also us to come and pursue the same objectives in Africa as the other large funds. We do have exposure to Africa through some of our emerging market managers who operate globally, but that does not mean that we've done anything through direct investments. And our objective now is in moving forward to do more direct investments as well as fund investments as time moves along. As a sovereign wealth fund, we do have a flexibility in the amount of checks that we can write, but in this case we'll have to be very realistic to make sure that we're able to meet the appetite. And as I understand, by talking to various people and our experience here, the ticket sizes here start from 10, 15, 20. The advantage that we have is we have the ability to also do large infrastructure projects which could require writing checks north of $100 million. It depends upon what asset class and what sectors are we looking at. But if we were to look at traditional private equity asset class, we would prefer to look at managers who want to do growth capital in Africa. We do not necessarily require that the managers should have 3 or 4 funds behind them. Rather, we're looking at a team of people within these managers who have a good track record, have operating experiences. So even if it's a first-time fund, it doesn't stop us. Previously, we did have this objective to make sure that the funds had 2-3 funds already in terms of the series, but now we're going to be more flexible with respect to Africa. We're looking for both, and clearly when you enter a market like this, you may have to do some funds and then pursue direct investment objective, but our preference is to do direct investments. And within direct investments, besides the private equity growth capital asset class that I talked to you about, we're also keen to do infrastructure assets.